Maybach right here parked up in the front. Yep. For those interested. What's up guys, we're back with another video. We're currently in the Maybach SL680. If you guys are brand new and love seeing car content like this, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Right now, we're currently on Laurel Canyon. We're on our way to Beverly Hills. Long story short, there's this car meet that Mercedes and this like fashion brand, they're like collaborating. It's a Mercedes car meet. And yeah, we're bringing, we're bringing the Maybach SL to the car meet. I don't know what to expect. I just seen this flyer on Instagram where it's like a collaboration, like a fashion brand with a Mercedes car meet. There's gonna be a lot of Mercedes cars supposedly. I have no expectations. So if you guys are interested in watching the full video, stay tuned and I'll catch you guys over there. PSI is good. I don't know why it's popping up, but it's good. Signs up, but as you guys can see, I'm not driving this car with the PSI low. Everything's good. I don't know, one little thing on this car, it just spazzes out and it just puts up the light. But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think of this interior right here. All white interior, drop top, got the homie right here. Straight summer whip right here. Right now, currently in Los Angeles, dude, the sun is bright right now. He literally told me to put down the phone. The stuff I do to try to get content, bro. I almost got pulled over in Beverly Hills. But we just stepped foot in Beverly Hills in like 3 minutes and already a motorcycle already just pulled. It was about to pull us over, bro. Alright guys, we just got to the location. It's actually right there. Bro, luckily we found parking right in the front. Let me see. Oh, we got 12 minutes. Oh, we should be good. Got the SL Maybach right here parked up in the front. They got different rims on this one. Damn. Right here we got the brand new 2026 Maybach S580. The chrome looks crazy. I'm gonna try to keep it short because they're playing music and I might get copyrighted on this one. Look, you guys can see they have a bunch of Mercedes, different stuff right here. With a bunch of clothes. A bunch of Mercedes clothes. That's crazy. For those interested in trying to design their own cars, they have different colors that you guys can choose on the interior, which is pretty crazy right here too. They got all the different colors you could possibly think of. Which color would you choose? This one? Hey, you seen the matte black one with the green interior? Bro, yeah, that one's... For those that don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a picture up right here. That's a pretty crazy spec. Damn, just crazy to think this car, I got it right there. I got it right there. Damn, that's crazy, next level stuff. Totally blessed, but I got the same one right there. We're in the middle of Beverly Hills. We got the SF90 posted up right here. Honestly, we can go ahead and just like car spot. Look, there's another Maybach right here. Crazy Maybach. Alright guys, so I had parked it right here. Now I parked it right in the front of this event right here. We got this one right here, and we got mine right here. Bro, we got all the Maybachs out right now. Oh look, we got another Maybach pulling up over there. Yeah, smash that like button, subscribe if you like to see more of this type of content. I do a lot of like lifestyle car content. I'm trying to be more active on this one. This is a brand new page, so help me out, subscribe. We got the police cop right here, and then actually, damn, we got both back-to-back Maybachs. Oh my god, bro. I don't know who's there. Apparently it's someone famous or something. There's a bunch of like people taking pictures.
Oh my god,
Man,
he's here! The
legend.
man's outside, kids. Let's go!
Pulled up in the Maybach. What's up? I have no clue, bro. He's a big dog, I guess. I don't know. Got lemonades. Alright guys, I just finished my strawberry lemonade. I'm gonna keep the video short. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you guys enjoyed this. We're about to head out. Yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys rate that SL Maybach right there. And yeah, the brand new 2026 Maybach sedan. That green color was pretty crazy. Bro, look at this.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Why he mad dogging us, bro? Like, damn. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it short. Follow me on Instagram. All that's gonna be in the description down below. If you guys want to see more, stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys. Before I end the video, we're gonna do one lap on down Rodeo Drive. We're gonna go ahead and car spot. But yeah, let's see how many crazy cars we can spot here on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. It's currently Friday. It's 5:40, about to be 6 p.m. and it looks like there's a lot of people right here. We just left the event. I was gonna end the video, but I'm gonna just get a couple more shots for you guys, and then yeah, just like something. We got the matte black GLE 43. This dude. Damn, it's matte black though. It's matte black.
Got the dogs out.
This dude, dogs out, chanclas with no socks, Beverly Hills. Oh my god, that one, the GT43, bro.
You're gonna be seeing those every day, bro. That shit rare.
We got the S550 satin gray. Y'all don't got that one either. I swear, earlier there was more crazy cars. Nothing, bro. Oh look, let's see if it's real. We got a G-Wagon Brabus. Y'all let me know if this is real or not.
That shit looking kind of sus, twin.
Is it real? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if it's real.
Looking kind of sus.
Brabus kitted G-Wagon. And then we got another G63 right here. We got an Escalade, and then we got another. This is like a G550, I think.
Yeah.
For the people that are not familiar with exactly where we're at, this is the main spot that a lot of tourists come. They come right here to spend a lot of money. This is called Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Oh damn, this almost got wiped out by the Urus. The Urus almost wiped them out. We got the S580, pretty outdated. What do you think? You think you'll still drive it?
Yeah, I would drive that shit.
Yeah, we're gonna do one lap, guys, and then we're not gonna.
Really?
What? No, I'm not gonna rev it. Shit's quiet.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly what they're saying. They want me to like rev the car. Bro, this car's quiet. Like, I don't know why people want to hear this car. It's just a showstopper. It's nothing too crazy. Right here, this spot came out in GTA 5. This whole little section right here is in GTA 5. Yeah. Oh, then we got the matte black C-Class. We got the matte black C-Class. Sheesh. Honestly, I could have sworn there was gonna be more cars, more crazy cars. But we're gonna do one more left turn right here. Hopefully we see another crazy car. I'm about to end this video. We got a Wraith, a kitted out satin gray Wraith with no plates. Pretty crazy if you ask me.
Damn, this one got smoked. I almost got smoked.
What's
Bro,
he
people trying to-
doing? Oh my god, this guy. Left right here, this street is known for a bunch of crazy cars. I know because I drive by GTA 5 around here, like sometimes. Oh look, we got an F8 Spider. Oh no, hardtop. F8, classy. Oh look, we got a Urus.
Hey, let's mad dog the food at mad dog.
Yeah, what the? We got the Roma. Oh look, we got the Maybach sedan. Oh, Clint. And all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel. We're on the come up right here. It's a brand new channel, so if you guys enjoyed this, smash that like button, help me out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.